Hello student, good morning. So today I am going to teach you line and angle of class 9. So firstly I am going to tell you that what is line. Line basically it means limitless. Okay, na? Basically this is undefined term in symmetry. So this one can say it's a line. A straight path contain infinite point, so it has not a definite length. It has not a initial point, not a terminal point. Okay. So next line segment. What is line segment? Line segment. Okay. A small point of a line means a straight path between 2 points is called line segment. Properties of line segment that it has a definite length. Student in line has not a definite length. It's a length, but it's not a definite length. But line segment, it's a definite length. You can measure it, you can draw it easily on the paper. It has two end points. There is a initial point. This one is the terminal point, and next is ray. Next is ray. So what is ray? This one is ray. This one is the initial point. That is not a terminal point. Okay, so it has only one point. Like line, this one is also has not a definite length. We cannot measure, we cannot draw it. So basically, this and these are undefined. Now we are moving on next topic, that is angle. But before that, you can pause the video and note it. So firstly, you know what types of line. Types of line. Okay. So parallel line, transversal line, intersecting line, concurrent line, perpendicular line. There are much many types of line. So mainly these are parallel line, transversal line, intersecting line, concurrent line, and perpendicular line. Okay, so now you can note it. Now I am going to teach you angle. This topic. Angles. What is it? Two rays having a common endpoint formed an angle. Two rays having a common endpoint formed an angle. So here the first ray is OA and second ray is OB. So this one is formed an angle. This AOB angle, we can represent this angle AOB. Angle either you can say angle BOA, angle O, either you can say angle O. In single letter you can say when there is only one angle formed. Otherwise you can check like that, angle AOB, either angle BOA. So this one is the angle, and OA is arm here, arm. OB is also arm here. Okay. and this one is called the vertex. So as you have already studied in your earlier classes, that's types of angle, that's zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. I hope you student already knows about the zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. So basically it's a measure in degree here. ठीक है? It's measure in degree. In 11th class you measure it in radian also, in grade system, but this topic, different topic now. But here we can measure it in degree. So it's your previous studies. Okay, just a basic concept. So before moving, you can pause the video and note it. So now some other type of angle which are very important for your 9th class. You can easily get to solve the problem of line and angle exercise 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 if you have knowledge about this, which is now I am going to teach here. Some other type of angle means basically alternate angle, corresponding angle, vertically opposite angle, linear pair, co-interior, co-exterior. So student, note it. It's very important for you. I hope you have already learned it, huh? But it's a simple way to learn it. Basically two parallel line. So L is parallel to M. This one is the symbol of parallel line. L is parallel to M here. And this one T is a transversal line. T is a transversal line. So here 4 interior angle and 4 exterior angle basically. और भी है but basically अगर openly देखें तो 4 interior and 4 exterior like that. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. 1, 2, 7 and 8 are called exterior angle here. 3, 4, 5, 6 is called interior angle here. So firstly, alternate angle. Alternate angle. Alternate exterior 1 का 7, angle 1 is equal to 7, angle 2 is equal to 8, 3 is equal to 5, 4 is equal to 6. This the relation is very important to solve the problem further. When आगे मैं सॉल्व भी कराऊंगा आपको एनसीईआरटी एक्सरसाइज एंड कुछ अलग एक क्वेश्चंस, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. तो अल्टरनेट एंगल्स आप इसको नोट कर लीजिएगा, वीडियो को पॉज करके और नोट बना लीजिएगा. अल्टरनेट नेक्स्ट कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. Corresponding, एक जैसा. This one is the line, right hand side, above the line. 1 is equal to 5. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. So these are corresponding angles. Okay, you have to note it. Corresponding angle. Now next, vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite. Student, vertically opposite angle means 1 is equal to 3. Okay, angle 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, 2 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 7, 6 is equal to 8. These are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now, please note on it. Okay. Pause the video. Note on it. Prepare a note. Next, linear pair. As the name that linear. In geometry, linear means in a line. In algebra means degree 1, but here in geometry, linear means in a line. Pair means कि 2. So एक लाइन में 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. 4 plus 1 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly here, 5 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree. 6 plus 7 is equal to 180 degree. 7 plus 8 is equal to 180 degree. 8 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Student note it. Huh? Pause the video and note it. A linear pair. Next is co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Co means what? Continuing. Interior means अंदर के angle. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. And here 5 plus 6, either you can say 6 plus 5, doesn't matter. And next, co-exterior angles. This one is belong from interior and this one is belong from exterior. So एक ही लाइन में 1 plus 4, sorry 1 plus 2, sorry 1 plus 8. This one is 1 plus 8, co-exterior. Okay, and 2 plus 7 is equal to 180. So these are the type of angle which is very important for you. Okay, and student, now some other angle we have discussed here, like first adjacent angle. Opposite angles, complementary angle, supplementary angles. So what is adjacent angle? What is having a common arm. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common arm. Listen carefully. Adjacent angle. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common arm. Like that. AOB. Here only one angle. This one is a common ray. No. See. So you can say that this angle and this angle means angle AOC and BOC are adjacent angle because OC is a common ray here. OC is a common ray here. So this one is adjacent angle. It's very important for opposite angle. Two rays having two angles having no common arm. No common arm like that. This angle and this angle are opposite angle. Next, complementary angle and next supplementary angle. Complementary angle. Two angles are said to be complement to each other if their sum is 90 degree. Two angles are said to be complement to each other if the sum is 90 degree. Complementary. This one. This one. A, O, B, C. Okay. So angle OAB and BAC is a complementary angle. And suppose that this one is 60 degree and this one is 30 degree. So angle BAO is a complement of angle BAC. You can say it. Okay. So complementary angle. Next is supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle? Student note it. Okay. What is supplementary angle? Two angles are said to be supplement to each other if their sum is 180 degree. Okay. When is the supplement 180 degree? So student noted. Now, some other important notice for you. As you know, I have already told you in the starting that angle measure in degree. That the unit, very smallest unit of angle is just degree, minute, and second. Okay. Degree is represented by this, minute is represented by this, and second is represented by this. Okay. In 1 degree there are 60 minutes. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Okay. So this one is a very important work for you. Very important. In NCERT there is no problem. This, but in Exemplar and in R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, there are many problems belong from this, and further to study about this. For example, that 28 degree, 41 minute and 32 second, and 34 degree, 28 minute and whatever. 48 seconds. We are going to add this. Suppose we are going to add this. So how we add? We add this 8 to 10. Carry out 1, 3, 4, 7, 1, 8. Okay, student. Separately you can add 8, 1, 9, 4, 2, 6. 8, 4, 12, 1 carry, 2, 3, 5, 1, 6. This is not the exact answer. This one is only addition. So as you know here that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we just convert it from the right hand side, means from the second hand, as well as we can't write this no more than 60, more than 59.9, 59.99. So what is this? This remaining 20 degree, sorry 20 minutes. So we just take away 60 from here and add here. What? 60, we just take away 60 from here and add here. But as you know, 60 second is equal to 1 minute. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So when we take out 60 here, just work here for only 1 minute. So it's extend only 169.70, and here result is long. So we can convert it. We already converted. So this one is now here. As you know, 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So we can take away 60 from here. So what's the remaining here? Remaining is 10 here. As you know, you take away 60, but here it worked only for 1. So this one is 60. So this one is your exact answer, 63 degree, 10 minutes and 20 seconds. This one is the addition. It's a very important topic for you. Very, very important. A student, please note it. And also practice it. You can practice it from R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma. Okay? Well, yourself. Now, after addition, we are going to tell you that about the subtraction. How we subtract the angle when it is in degree, minute and second. So, suppose that 62 degree, 42 minute, 38 second. And here 28 degree, 53 minute and 42 second, like that. We are going to subtract it. So as you know, स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि एड में किया हमने, कैसा किया कि डिग्री को सेकंड से किया था ऐड, मिनट को मिनट से किया था ऐड एंड डिग्री को डिग्री से किया था ऐड। यहाँ पर भी सिमिलरली वैसे ही होगा कि हम सेकंड को सेकंड से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, मिनट को मिनट से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, डिग्री को डिग्री सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। बट एक चीज याद रखेंगे हम, जैसे कि पहले से जानते हैं फ्रॉम वेरी बिगिनिंग 38 से 42 माइनस नहीं होगा। सो हमें यहाँ से कैरी करना पड़ेगा, हमें यहाँ से क्या करना पड़ेगा, कैरी करना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट। तो यहाँ से कैरी करेंगे हम कितना 1, इसके लिए काम कितने करेगा 60 का, तो 60 आएगा तो कितना हो जाएगा ये 38 पहले से कितना हो जाएगा 98। अब यहाँ से कितना बचा, याद रखिए कितना बचा, 42 से 1 गया तो कितना बचा 41 बचा, है ना 41 कितना बचा 41। अब यहाँ से आ गया क्योंकि 41 से 42 तो माइनस होगा नहीं, है ना। तो अब यहाँ से लेगा इससे ही, तो इससे देगा 1, फिर ये कितना बचेगा, ये तो बचेगा 61, लेकिन एक इसके लिए काम नहीं लगेगा 60 का। अभी कितना था देखो 60 आया और 41 बचा हुआ है, तो 1614 कितना आ गया 101 आ गया, सॉरी। अब इसको आप हटा सकते हैं, इसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, आप कट करिए ना करिए फर्क कोई नहीं है, आप अपने सही से कर सकते हैं, उसको हाइड भी कर सकते हैं, सिमिलरली सबट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं आप। 1 + 2 - 1 6, 9 से 4 - 1 तो 5, सेकंड लगा दिए, 11 से 3 - 1 8 58, ओके 11 से 1 2 3 5 से 2 - 1 2 3, ओके। Here 48. So नोट कर लीजिएगा, इसको पॉज करके और प्रैक्टिस करिएगा। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बेसिकली दिस वन। इसको पॉज करके नोट कर लीजिएगा आप। आपको कुछ और चीजें याद करके रखनी है, जैसे आपको बता दूं मैं, आपने बताया था, मैंने बताया था अभी आपको, क्या बताया था, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री। सप्लीमेंट्री और एक और ऐड करते हैं इसमें, रिफ्लेक्स। तीनों में क्या चीज है? when we are, note it student very carefully, it's very important, when we are going to find the complement of any angle, when we are going to find the complement of any angle, we just subtract it from 90 degree, subtract the given angle from 90 degree. Okay, subtract the given angle from 90 degree. And when we are going to find the supplement of any angle, so subtract the given angle from 180 degree. And when we are going to find the reflex of any angle, similarly subtract the given angle by 360 degree. It's very important concept for you student. So pause the video and note it. It's very important for you. As you know, so these are the basic concept of line and angle chapter. My next video is for the NCERT question exercise 6.1 completely, 6.2, 6.3 and all, and after that extra questions. So student, just watch this and prepare a note. Okay, bye.